we have a video about this Medion speaker. This is the biggest speaker of the Medion Bluetooth speaker lineup, and it's pretty much the same speaker as the Tazata brand. They both have same speakers, but Medion does have tuned down the maximum output to 100 watts instead of 160. And because of this, even though the battery is the same size, they do claim a longer battery life of 30 hours. Something else is also pretty funny about the speaker is that the light show, maybe it isn't the best with the music sync up, but it does look pretty nice with the strip on the front and behind the passive radiators. Even the passive radiators are pretty unique. They're made out of a metal body, but the speaker itself is made out of plastic materials. Something else is pretty cool is that the charging on the speaker is 65 watts peak. This means you can charge up the speaker within a few hours and then you can use it for up to 30 hours of battery life. The sound quality is pretty alright, but I did notice that when you use the bass boost mode, it is a nicer sound for sure, but you do lose some clarity. So without further ado, here are a few audio samples. We'll start with a few on normal EQ and then we go to the bass EQ.
I don't wanna go. For some reason I felt like that I've always known. This is where we're meant to stay, where we should be. This place is where the sun shines forever free. The sunset is fading, but the lights aren't gone. The ocean waves have just begun. The water is calling, the night is young. So if I leave, then where you come? Follow, so follow. So if I leave, then where you come? Follow, so follow. So if I leave. With you, and the hours will melt all night long. I like it when you close all the curtains, the ticking and the trash and the burdens. We got all the time, ain't no worries. I like it with you in it. Make me take a little look. Can we finish it?